Hi guys, good morning and welcome to this amazing vlog because I made up my mind that I'll make it an enjoyable one to watch. So guys, but sorry, I'm starting this vlog with a rant. Like I want to rant. I'm in the mood to rant a little bit because I don't understand the situation of Nigeria right now. I don't know whether I'm the only one, but have you ever gone to market to buy something and when you come back, you asking yourself, what did I buy? Or did I forget something in the market? As in, have you ever found yourself in such situation before? You carry money, you go to market, and after buying things like this, you'll be like, did I lose money? Just Nigeria is getting hard day by day, and I just pray that God help us all, because both the rich are complaining, the poor, everybody's complaining. In short, there is no specific person everybody is complaining. She want to push down that thing, so everybody is really complaining. These days like this, I'll go to market. You might write that maybe you want to buy meat of, for example, 5,000. Carry you to where? For example, I'm coming. For example, you write they want to buy meat of 5,000, but when you get to the market with the list you're holding, you'll be like, if I buy this meat of 5,000 naira, I won't be able to buy everything on the list. But you've already written your list though, and the prices, you now have to cut down. Maybe now buy meat of 3. What? Hey, Jehovah Nissi. I don't know if this is only happening to me, but a war with the tights, as in a war with the tights. Like everybody is just managing themselves. Everybody is really managing. Guys, I'm so sorry I'm beginning this vlog with a rant, but yeah, welcome to another vlog. I want to see if I can be consistent. I'm sure I'm not a consistent person on this YouTube. It's any day I just remember. I've been making videos, but if I make videos, I'll delete it. But let's just see how it goes. Yeah guys, I don't know whether I forgot to tell you guys, it's a Sunday morning and I'm preparing ofako. I'm going to show you guys. So guys, I'm making ofako. This is my pot of ofako. Yeah, making banga soup. Wow. Baby,
where is he?
Can't call your father.
Where is he?
You put that your small face inside my video. He's laughing with you. Yeah.
Baby.
Assistant cook.
Daddy.
You will not answer you.
Daddy.
Baby. Why would you rest? There's no rest for the wicked.
So I'm a wicked man.
See.
There's no rest for the wicked. You go on wrong chain. Come on, I bought a fuel also.
The fear of fuel is the beginning of wisdom.
Okay, now. See your mother. Remove your hand before you have to be gaka. Don't put your hand on the door. I don't have strength.
Okay.
Dry my crayfish, I beg. Before this man will remind me that a little of food is now. Just now. Remind me to go to the come off your journey. Papa bright. Papa bright. Are you Papa bright?
Yes.
Is your name Papa bright?
Yes.
Kere Krista. You go use for your mouth.
Mama.
You go use for your mouth. Look at this boy, you.
Getting die.
Eat that.
No. Hey.
You didn't tell that I want your face to come out in my video. Kere Krista. Because you now have a size 2 that used to climb on. That is now only size 2 from here. I'm lying down. I'm kind of relaxing actually. I'm relaxing and I'm watching my favorite program, The Promise. Yeah, watching my favorite program, The Promise. I'm just relaxing, nothing much. Let me reduce this before it will give me copyright. So I'm just relaxing. I didn't do anything. I didn't do much today. I didn't even go anywhere today. I didn't do anything today apart from cooking. Yeah. So that's it, guys. If there's any other thing that's gonna happen today, definitely you guys will know. Yeah. Let me enjoy my program. Guys, please let me concentrate on my program. I don't joke with this program.
Mommy.
No, let me just answer. Finish. Remove your lips or your mouth. Let me just answer. Finish.
Shut up. So many people that make content. Camera has shut up.
Onyeku.
Just shut camera in. Even in the night itself, one of the brighter than my phone.
So Infinix is a brighter.
It's possible.
Than
iPhone. It's overrated.
iPhone is overrated.
I'm telling you.
My husband is giving me content ideas. If I'm saying something important now, you're doing that thing.
What are you saying that I'm doing another thing?
I'm saying something important
That
will benefit us.
That you give a video, make content, people will look at it, people will watch it. I say, oh, you want the romantic husband, which I know I am.
He said,
people, yes, people will patronize it.
So if you cook once in 4 months.
One machine for 1 and 4 months. More months.
When was the last time you cooked?
Really?
Okay. No, let me not say the one that will make you now. You will not cook again.
Okay. Who will they go?
Ekubekwemu. Brother Ekubekwemu.